Welcome to the life. Welcome to the life. Welcome to the life. Here at Carter's Eats.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor. All eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me. Party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me. Yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me. All eyes on the prize. Money supersized. G5 super fly. Fly should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's Eat. I got to pull together a quick dinner, and today we are going to have, let me show you. That's all we're having for dinner right there. That's what we're having. Lay's potato chip. Psych! We're having chicken covered in Lay's. Let's see how this goes. Got the Lay's in the bag. Okay. We're in this together. We're going to find this out together. If this is your first time here, I'm Lisa. I'm your host at Carter's Eat. My husband's at Karate with AJ, the 7-year-old. And Blake is scared of the thunder, so she's in the bedroom with Mima. And I've got 30 minutes to pull this off. I said, I love barbecue chips. I love barbecue chips. So I said, let's try them on the baked chicken. Let's see how it goes. And we are, space I have. So right now, I'm mashing it with my hands. I'm gonna get it as fine as possible. I hate, loathe, what's it called? Dish hole, the wet dish, I loathe them. I told my husband, don't buy one of them dang on dispenser things where you rest the dishes. Put the dishes in the dishwasher. Food for the Soul says she likes to wash her dishes as well. She's the dishwasher. I'm new school, I ain't old school. I don't wash dishes. All right, excellent. Okay, so I like to clean out that ickity-gickity that's between there. Get that white film out of there. So I've already cleaned these over here. Again, I'm going fast. I may push pause. I don't know how much space I have. I'm going to glaze those with, baste them with some olive oil in just a minute. Season them up. See, I'm cleaning out that gook in the middle. Hate it. These are the thighs. I'm using the thighs. You can probably hear the storm. How's everybody doing today? What are you up to? Have your kids going back to school? Get there. This video is just us two. Val and Coco has a new channel. Her and Gavin's channel. So this video is dedicated to them. Val and Coco taught me most of what I know. She planted the seed for the Comment, Commit, and Stick t-shirt. The oven is already on. That's how behind I am. So bear with me. We've got the old traditional onion pan. There's Blake. Nope, you're not in yet. We're almost out of hours, y'all. I believe it going live. Or I'm gonna make a video. Anytime I cook, it's one or the other. But many people like when I go live because I'm so live in the live. But right now, the mission before my husband gets home is to get this chicken in the oven. So I'm gonna turn up a little bit. Hey everybody, come on, subscribe. If this is your first time here, be sure to comment, commit and stick. Comment, commit and stick. Comment, commit and stick. Comment, commit and stick. Here on Carter's. I'm gonna turn this water off. I knew you wouldn't. That's the oven telling me it's at 350. We're doing this together, y'all. We're gonna see if it sticks. I'm pulling off that gookity slime. I'm not gonna do every piece. We're gonna sample. And there, everybody's resting. And we are gonna see how quickly we can pull this. Everybody's been doing it with the Cheetos, right? Right? We're gonna put a couple on the pan that are not gonna be. How many of y'all tuck your wing? You still tuck your wing? Make them go crisscross applesauce? And then you can watch me season them in just a minute. Whew, Jesus, Lord have mercy. With the olive oil, there's the chicken. Baste it real good so that the potato chips have something to stick to, right? And this is just because for the sake of time, again, I couldn't find a bigger bowl. But this is all we need, just make sure we get that oil on there. I'm so over the chicken already. I'm over it. All right? We gotta watch our sodium intake because we do have 2 people with high blood pressure. So watch your sodium. We're gonna get this in there and toss it, and toss it, and toss it, and toss it. Oh, that's pretty. All right. Okay. Mix it up, Miss Lisa. Welcome to Carter's Eat. This is, again, barbecue, Lay's barbecue. We're doing this together, you guys. We're doing this together. They do it with the Cheetos. I haven't told anybody in the family what we're doing. I'm dropping them all in. And we're gonna shake, just like fried chicken. Pray with me. Let's see if it works, y'all. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's it. Let's see, family. Let's see. I would have liked it to be a lot thinner, but I didn't want to get a hole in the bag and lose my, I need another pan. Hold on. I would have liked the chips a whole lot finer. So that means I need to mash them and stomp them. The bag is completely empty. I'm gonna pull one more off of my pan. Blake, you need some water? I'm gonna crush up some more, you guys. So there's our regular chicken, baked chicken for the family, and my experimental barbecue, Lay's barbecue chips. And we're gonna see what this looks like shortly. Thumbnail. Okay, you guys, when I used that fine blender method, it came out a lot thinner, like almost like a seasoning powder. So that was the look I was going for, and we sprinkled it on all of the chicken. Okay, let's see. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. I don't know. I'll keep you posted how it turns out. Let's see what the finished product looks like shortly. Y'all, I'm also doing homemade okra. Arthur's favorite. You're gonna hear the water off and on. Let's see how many I'll cook. So you just get a quick demonstration of some fresh okra, again, part of Mima's Aldi's haul when she went to Aldi's. Arthur loves okra. So I'm cutting off the stems, cutting off the stem there, and cutting off the stem there. We already seasoned the water. There's the steamed water. And once I rinse a couple of okra, we'll drop it in the pan. Can't cook it too long or it gets slimy. I'm not gonna let you hear all that water. I'm just gonna show you cutting them up real quick. We're dropping it right in the hot water. Only takes about 10 minutes to cook, get soft. You don't want it to cook too soft or it becomes like your gumbo, so you don't want it that soft. You gotta stop it just in time. Thank you for coming. Hey, we're back. Blake's talking. Our potato chip chicken. Barbecue potato chip chicken. And Blake, it's looking like something. I crushed the potato chips and made a breading, and then there's the other ones on the end. See them? They're looking decadent, so we'll let you know how that goes. It didn't make it in time for dinner. We had a hodgepodge for dinner. So thank you for coming. We'll see the end result shortly, but here it is. A whole tomato. There it is. It sure is pretty. Arthur made some steak. And there's the okra. It turned out real well. Arthur was good?
Yeah, it was real good.
And that's our barbecue potato chip chicken. I'll let you know. So there is our Lay's barbecue potato chip chicken. Chicken. And we're gonna see how it be. I need more seasoning. The chips give it a good crunch, just like it's fried. But I needed to have applied a lot more seasoning. But it's got a good color. I can taste the barbecue. I need to add some barbecue. But it looked good. Good enough for me to eat. Just season as normal. Season as normal. Yeah. The barbecue seasoning comes out of the chips all together. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. We'll perfect that.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.